everyone, welcome back. I am popping on in here to show y'all the new releases going on. And real quick, I will address that yes, I know I only have one hand painted, but I'm trying to master this DIY gel nail kit. So I've been just like testing out one hand, trying to get it down, and then I'll move on to this one. So anyway, I will go ahead and show y'all new releases. So as always, last minute for these wacky holidays, but here's the April one going out. So this includes 14 wacky holidays throughout all of April. And then just so that I'm not late for May, I went ahead and did that one. And so again, another 14 wacky holidays for May. And then begins our gem collection. So of course I had to do a coffee tray, and I just love this design. I love the little sign that says shine bright, just all the crystals and stuff. It's just really, really pretty. And I'll be offering this one in a die cut as well. Then flat lays, because almost as popular as our coffee trays are flat lays, so I wanted to do two different designs. This one right here is all crystals and gems, and then this one right here has like a journal, a little succulent, more crystals, and a pen. And so, yep, that is that one. And then all the doodles that I put, or that I drew for the kit, and I included in it, are on this sheet right here. So we have some glasses, some gems, candles, succulents. I love, love, love this long sleeve shirt with gems on it that says bliss. And then this little rock crystal right here. And then I drew this for the kit, but I thought it would look so cute as dividers for either your Hobonichi or your Erin Condren. And so, yep, so those are all the doodles, all the gem inspired doodles coming to the shop. And then the wacky holidays. And then the crystal kit. Oh my god, I am just in love with this hollow foil on it. It's just so pretty. So I haven't done a foiled kit in a while that has like the full foil all over it, but I just thought this would be the perfect one, and I made it very, very subtle. There's just little tiny stars speckled throughout. And then this box right here has the hollow gems. This says manifest and chill. And then this one says I've got a crystal for that. And so very pretty, very subtle still, even though there's foil all over. And then here's the checklist. There's little gems as the checklist. I thought that would be really cute. And here's the bottom washi and date covers. So these two have little star hollow foil on them. This down here, it's got the stars instead of the, what do you call it? Like the glitter kind of pattern on it. And so yeah, like look at this hollow. I can't stop wiggling it. And then these two sheets that don't have foil, but look at this weekend banner. I'm in love. So there's that, and oh my god, the most important part, and I forgot to take it out. Let me see if I have one here. Yes, I do. So this washi, I remember creating sometime, maybe last year or in January, and so it's about time that I release it, and look how cute it is, you guys. So it's got clouds and stars and a bunch of gems and little bean holding gems. Like, it is the perfect match to this kit, and also to the freebie. So this freebie is going to go out in all orders tomorrow for Freebie Friday, and it is just the perfect companion to all the gem things that are releasing. And so let's see some details. This will be a freebie for orders no minimum, so every order will get this. And then everything will be sold a la carte. There will be no limits to the doodles or the kit, but I do only have a limited amount of this gem washi. So if you want the washi, you're definitely gonna have to get it ASAP, because we won't be, I really don't think we'll be ordering another batch of these. So just because we have so many other designs in the works. And so yeah, that is it, you guys. Just remember, this will be a very limited release on the washi. and they will be listed at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So, all right, well, that was everything, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.